Alright, so last year, one of the last rides, Drew's hand grip malfunctioned and melted the grip, burnt a hole right through his glove.
There's the glove, there's the bar.
It looks to me like after searching the forums on Do Talk, it's a pretty normal occurrence. So we're gonna buzz these hand grips off and install a new heating element. So here's the parts I got from the dealer. I got a new grip. I'll put the part numbers in the description. I got some new cork, although I don't know I need it because I think I can resurrect the old cork. And then this little heating element that we have to install. First off, you just pop off your top cap. Just like that. And then we can get to popping off this grip, just tracking back with the wiring and replacing that wiring in this harness here. The hole in the end of the grip, but using some air pressure, we can blast these grips off without an issue. Just like that, pops right off. Now we're looking at the grip here. You can see the old heating element on here, which we'll just peel back. There's the broken wire and the short. So whether something came in contact with that to cause it to break, I'm not sure. Yeah. So we're going to unplug the connector. We're going to flip this back. You know the wires are the orange and black ones here? That's your brake light. This is your thing, and once that's popped off, you should be able to just give a little pressure in there with the screwdriver. Well, they should slide out. Just pry up on that and give that wire a little pressure. There. You're pushing towards there with it, and it'll pop right out. So orange is, black is on the outside, orange is in the middle. Push it in like this, and the wire will pop right out. Perfect. Why do we only have 2 wires on this when the new one has? Looks like the one with the purple wire on it was never hooked up. I'm gonna get lucky and pull that through. I just pulled it through there. Let's clean this grip up, put the new cork on, and get the new one wired up. Loosen off the brake clamp so I can slide it out of the way. Just push it out of the way enough so we can get a driver on there. Alright, okay. We did just replace that last year. I have video on it. Just haven't had a chance to upload it yet. It's just a Scotch pad and a WD-40 just to do the final cleaning on this. Just work yourself towards the middle of the handlebar, just like that. Careful not to break any of these wires. You're going to be in another short situation. And what I want to do is I want to turn this to the back of the controls so it's the wires coming out in the exact spot we want it. Just pre-fitting it just to make sure that the cork and everything is in the right spot, which it looks good. That. Take some electrical tape and just go around the ends, and I think where this curve is, just to hold it in place. Just get the grip started. That's it. Now, put the controls back and we'll wire this sucker up. Comes over right there with the rest of them. That. And then we'll get the wiring done. Recall the purple wire wasn't used. The black one was on the outside edge. Put it in like this. Stick the orange one in so the tab is down. Push it until you feel it click. And give it a tug to make sure it's locked in place. And this little clip can go back on the wires. Just like that. It's broken. I'll put a little piece of electrical tape around there anyway. Actually, I'll do that. 2 birds with 1 stone. This will hold the end cap in place, my broken end cap, and that wire that's not being used. So there you go, the connectors are in place, everything's looking good. I can connect and pop this back on, just like that. It's done. That's how to replace the factory stock heated hand grip on a 2009 to 2020, really, they still make the RevXP platform Ski-Doo. That'll work for any Ski-Doo model, really. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped you, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you.